Hello everyone, in this video I would like to introduce the Tibetan Year of the Wooden Dragon. The factor we came to the museum is we want to learn some Tibetan culture. When we get into the museum we saw an exhibition of Tibetan Wooden Dragon Year and we felt that is very interesting. So let's talk about it. The exhibition begins with this graph called Ronda Tenkas. Ronda is the Tibetan translation for wind horse banner. It represents good fortune and can spread blessings in all directions. Although this pair of tenka has been slightly adjusted the four mythical creatures, but the 5 elements in the figure of the Bhagwa heavenly stems, earthly branches and 12 zodiac signs are consistent with the central planes. The 4 corners of the golden tortoise in this tenka are painted with sacred animals and correspond to the 4 directions. The tiger in the east, the blue dragon in the south, the bird in the west, and the white lion in the north. These 4 mythical creatures are all derived from the Han Chinese for mythical creatures. When they were introduced to Tibet, the dragon and tiger were retained, the vermilion bird replaced the original bird, and the white lion replaced the tortoise. These 4-clawed animals symbolize fearlessness or invincibility. Next, I want to share the history of the Year of the Wooden Dragon. 2024 is the Year of the Dragon. It's also called the Wooden Dragon because of the Tibetan calendar. In the Tibetan calendar, the animal species and order of the 12 zodiac signs are consistent with the lunar calendar, combined with the yin-yang 5 elements of the central planes. It constitutes a special cyclical chronology, and there is evidence that this chronology was introduced into Tibet from the mainland at least during the reign of Songtsen Gampo. The Year of the Dragon, known in Tibetan as Julio Drulo,